Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Hometainment. Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. Today I am sharing the recipe of steamed beef mince, or it's called dum ka keema. Ingredients are given in the description box. You can check them from there. With only few ingredients, we can get smoky flavorful taste that can melt in your mouth. We need beef mince about half kg with 20 to 30% fat. Then add white pepper half teaspoon, black pepper powder almost half teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seed powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, roasted Bengal gram powder 2 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon or to taste, meat tenderizer or papaya paste half teaspoon, red chili flakes half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, and yogurt about 1 cup. It's blended form. Now mix all the ingredients with your hands for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that all the ingredients combine together. You can add fresh coriander or cilantro and mint chopped at this stage. Mix thoroughly with your hands so that all the flavor get into your mince. You can make this marination one day before the cooking, or you can make and freeze it and start cooking when you need. Now let it rest for at least 30 minutes. I have placed the coal on the stove. For cooking, take a wok on the stove and place the oil about half cup in this wok or dekchi, which can be covered easily so that we can steam it. Add our marinated mince into this oil. Now place the lid on the pan and let it steam for about 30 to 45 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will release its water and let it cook in its own water. After water dries, place the coal over this steamed mince and cover it for 3 to 5 minutes. This will give smoky flavor or barbecue taste to your mince. After 5 minutes, you can enjoy this with bread, naan or paratha. Thanks for watching.